In this brief video, we want to talk to you today about how you can protect yourself against the fastest growing crime in the U.S., and that is identity theft. The unfortunate reality is that every 3 seconds, someone in the U.S. is the victim of some sort of identity-related crime. That means every single day there's 28,000 new victims of identity theft. Identity theft occurs whenever someone uses your personal information without your permission to commit fraud or other crimes. And the unfortunate reality is that these perpetrators are becoming increasingly more sophisticated with each passing day. In fact, with just your name, address, social security number, and date of birth, your personal information can be used over and over to fraudulently open new lines of credit, seek medical attention, drain savings and retirement accounts, and even get a job or file false tax returns. So not only can these crimes be costly to your wallet, they can also be incredibly time-consuming to resolve. According to the Federal Trade Commission, it takes the average victim 175 hours to restore their lives after their identity is stolen. So what can you do to protect yourself against identity theft? First, you should think about shredding documents you throw away. Identity thieves love recycling your trash, but you can stop them in their tracks by using a crosscut shredder. Shred everything with your name and address, such as statements and invoices, receipts, return address stickers, envelopes, catalogs, and especially pre-approved credit offers, credit card checks, and insurance-related materials. Next, you'll want to think smart about protecting your online account information and passwords. Encrypt emails and computer files that contain personal or account information. Make sure that your firewalls and antivirus and anti-spyware programs are up to date. And you'll always want to employ strong passwords that contain numbers, symbols, and characters. Never use obvious passwords that include your date of birth, child's or pet's name, or mother's maiden name. And don't use the same password for online banking that you use for shopping or social networking sites. Also, make sure you avoid phishing scams. Phishing scams are typically emails that appear to be coming from legitimate sources, but direct you to dangerous websites where they might prompt you for your passwords, social security number, and other private information that can be used to steal your identity. To protect yourself from phishing, don't click on any suspicious-looking emails, and do not click on the links in the email if you are not sure what they are or who they are from. Also, never email anyone your password or private information. No legitimate enterprise, like your bank or university, will ever ask for your password over email. A good way to manage your passwords is to sign up for one of the free password manager sites. These password managers allow you to use one master password that will automatically log you into all of your saved websites. Next, you'll want to check your credit reports early and often. Be sure to review your credit reports from the 3 reporting agencies, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, twice a year. The best way to do this is to visit annualcreditreport.com, the government-mandated source for free credit reports. And our last tip is that you'll want to keep your social security number to yourself. It takes surprisingly little effort to set up fraudulent accounts and establish false credit in someone else's name. In fact, sometimes only a social security number and address are required to do so. So even if you do everything on the list to protect yourself from identity theft, it can still happen. That's why we offer identity theft protection. Identity theft protection is an add-on to your existing homeowners or renters policy. Identity theft protection can help speed up the recovery process in the event of identity theft, getting you back on the road to your normal life. It can help you notify all relevant parties, such as credit bureaus, banks, and other financial institutions, as well as help you walk through the legal process of restoring your credit and your finances. ID protection also includes monitoring of your credit files and public records for fraudulent activity in an effort to prevent ID theft from happening in the first place. We hope this video has helped you to better understand the real risks of identity theft and provided some ideas about how you can best protect yourself. Call us today to learn more about how identity theft protection can provide great protection for you and your family.